2020, Paper 2, Question 8, Straight Line. For this kind of question, we'll use slope x and y intercept by ABC, ACB. Okay, so for line 1, so A is 1, B is A, C is B. Okay, so the slope x-intercept, y-intercept. Okay, so ABC, A, B, C, A, C, B. Okay, with all negative fraction. Okay, so it is negative B. And for line 2, okay, A is B, B is 1, C is C. Okay, so for line 2, okay, the slope x-intercept, y-intercept. So slope, we use ABC, so ABC, ACB, and then all with negative fraction. Okay, so this one is negative B, this one is negative C. Next, we'll check number 1. For number 1, C is less than 0. So let's see. In all 6 terms, only C is here. So that means we will look at line 2. For line 2, the y-intercept is negative C. Okay, here. So this point is above the x-axis. So that means it is a positive number. So if negative less than 0, so we can divide by negative to both sides. So when we divide by negative, so the direction of the inequality change less than 0. So C less than 0, correct. So you can cross out C. You can cross out C. Next, look at 2. AB less than 1. AB less than 1. For this, we cannot just see one term. We will see both terms with A and B. Okay, but it related to A and B, so we will see independently A and B first. So you can see line 1, this one. Okay, the slope is positive. You see, it's going up. So that means this one is greater than 0. For negative 1 over A greater than 0, so that means A should be, because this is a negative here, so negative should be times this negative, it becomes positive. Okay, so that means A should be negative. Okay, and for line 2, the slope you can see it is going downward, decreasing. So slope decreasing, so that means negative B is less than 0. So when we divide the negative, so it switch, so it becomes bigger than 0. So we have these two information: A less than 0, B bigger than 0. Okay, and then we can compare the slope. As I said, slope 1, okay, it is greater slope, okay, because increasing. So this slope is greater than this slope. So then negative 1 over A, it is greater than negative B. Both sides we divide by negative, so it becomes 1 over A less than, switch the direction, positive B. And then because A is a negative, so if A negative, move to right hand side, so the direction of inequality change again. So it becomes bigger, A times B. So that means A times B is less than 1. So 2 is also correct. So that means B wrong. So let's see 3. Okay, for 3, it related to A, B, and C. Okay, for A, B, and C, only these two okay, with A, B, and C. We need to compare two things. Okay, let's see the y-intercept. For line 1, the y-intercept is here. Okay, and the y-intercept for line 2 is here. So that means the y-intercept of y2 is bigger than L1. Okay, so that means y2, this one, negative c, it is greater than line 1 of the y-intercept, greater than negative b over a. Now both are negative, so we divide it, so it becomes both positive, and then direction change. And we know when a move to left hand side, a is a negative number, so AC, so negative, so this direction change, it become bigger than b. So AC bigger than b, so 3 1. So that means the answer is A.